The bottlenose dolphin challenges human intellectual exceptionalism. This animal recognizes itself in a mirror, calls friends by name, uses tools, teaches its young, plans cooperative acts, and grieves its dead. It has a vocal system we cannot fully decode, a brain larger than ours, and an intricate social life. A cetacean neuroscientist will show us its unique neural architecture, and a dolphin behaviorist will share what she has witnessed in 15 years with wild pods, behaviors that will fundamentally change how you think about what it means to be intelligent.
The bottlenose dolphin brain is around 1,700 grams. The human brain is 1,400 grams. Since absolute size doesn't determine intelligence, we use the encephalization quotient, EQ, brain to body size ratio. A human EQ is 7.4 to 7.8. A dolphin's is 4.1 to 4.5, second highest on Earth and almost double a chimp's, 2.2 to 2.5. But what truly astonishes me is the neocortex. Its cortical folding, gyrification, exceeds of humans, yielding more surface area, neurons, and processing power. It also contains spindle cells, von Economo neurons, once thought exclusive to human/great apes, associated with social cognition, empathy, and intuitive.
The mirror self-recognition test is the gold standard for self-awareness. An animal passes if it uses a mirror to investigate a mark on its body, proving it knows the reflection is itself. Few species pass. Humans pass around 18 months, along with great apes, elephants, magpies, and bottlenose dolphins. In our studies, dolphins not only investigated marks, but spent extended time examining themselves from multiple angles, even looking inside their mouths. Some became so fascinated we had to limit mirror access because it disrupted other experiments. This shows a concept of self, a cognitive threshold the vast
In Shark Bay, Australia, bottlenose dolphins practice sponging, wearing a marine sponge over their rostrum for protection from abrasion and stonefish while foraging on rocky substrate. This tool use is culture, not instinct. Confirmed by genetic analysis and traced over 30 years, it is passed from mother to daughter. Spongers form social subgroups with a shared technology and identity. Other populations have their own traditions. Some strand feed, a behavior taught by mothers. Some create mud rings to trap fish. Others use shells as scoops. Each population's unique toolkit is innovation, passed down through teaching.
Self-awareness, a concept of self. Using mirrors to look inside their own mouths. That is remarkable. Now, I want to bring in the behaviorist, because the field evidence for dolphin intelligence is equally staggering. Tell us about signature whistles, the idea that dolphins have names.
Bottlenose dolphins develop a unique signature whistle, a sonic name, in their first months. Other dolphins copy this whistle to call a specific individual, but only that of a close associate, like family, not a stranger. This is referential communication, using acoustic labels for absent individuals, a foundation of language. Mothers and calves whistle each other's names during separation. One mother called her dead calf's name for days. Beyond names, their repertoire of clicks, burst pulses, and whistles varies by context, audience, and emotion. AI analysis of their vocalizations suggests grammatical structure.
Names, absent friends, a mother whistling for her dead calf, and possible grammatical structure in their vocalizations. That is extraordinary. Tell us about tool use and cultural transmission, because that is another threshold behavior. A brain larger than ours, the second highest encephalization quotient on the planet, cortical folding that exceeds humans, and spindle cells, the neurons linked to empathy and social cognition. That is an extraordinary neural foundation. Now tell us about what that brain can actually do, starting with the mirror test.
The neuroscience shows the cognitive demands are extraordinary. Tool use requires causal reasoning, cultural transmission, theory of mind, and teaching, recognizing, and correcting another's ignorance. Dolphins demonstrate all three. Most remarkable is their metacognition, thinking about thinking. In controlled experiments, they show uncertainty monitoring by opting out of difficult tasks when unsure, a hallmark of metacognition seen only in humans, great apes, and dolphins. They also have episodic-like memory and can plan for the future. Their minds show a self-reflection, temporal awareness, and social understanding.
The bottlenose dolphin possesses a brain larger than ours, the second highest encephalization quotient on Earth, and more cortical folding than humans. They have spindle cells for empathy and social cognition. Self-awareness is confirmed via the mirror test, passed by only a handful of species. They use signature whistles as names for individuals. Tool use is passed from mother to daughter, culture by scientific definition. They exhibit cooperative hunting, metacognition, episodic memory, and future planning. This is a self-aware, socially complex mind evolved in parallel with ours for 50 million years. Thank you, too.